make una see Papa Tope don't come again.
Binga, don't you think you should be on your way to Ibadan?
Mama Tope, thank you very much for the meal.
Thank God.
It really touched my heart.
Thank you.
The question, don't you think you should be on your way to Ibadan?
To Ibadan? At this time of the night? No, it's too late now. I can't go to Ibadan now. I'm staying over with you guys till tomorrow morning.
Wait. Before you even say the word stay. We have only one bed in that room. And the bed is strictly for me and Mama Tope.
So I could join you guys in the bedroom. Come on, Uncle. I mean...
Okay, in that case, this is what will happen. You will sleep here in the parlor. And I and Mama Tope will go and sleep in our room.
No, that's impossible. I hate sleeping alone. I'm very scared. Come on, Uncle. I mean, I'll join you guys in the bedroom. Mama Tope, what do you think?
Listen. Mama saw Google for let us. Look, you will sleep here in the...
Mama Tope, let him sleep with us.
Sleep where? Kiloma, what do you know?
Nothing now.
Okay, if you insist. Let him sleep. In that case, this is what will happen. I will sleep. You will sleep in front of me. I will sleep behind you. What? No. I will sleep in front. You will sleep behind me. And then he will now sleep behind you.
Behind who am I actually sleeping, please?
Wait. Don't just look. It is our decision. You don't even have a say here.
Uncle, you look cute when you're angry.
Don't even tell me that. Look, it's a very...
Let's go and I don't want...
Oh, just what I'm showing you. You don't understand what I'm trying to avoid.
No. What do you want to avoid?
Oh no, but can you, if you had known? Oh God. I wish you know what I'm trying to avoid here. I wish you know. I wish you know. I wish you know. You are still insisting that he sleeps with us?
Yes, let him sleep with us.
Yeah.
Let's go and sleep.
Alright, can we sleep already? Hello? The back and forth talk is becoming too much.
Let's go, Daddy. Let's go. Let's go.
Let him go to. Let him go.
Hey, make una see Papa